Okay, picture this. A custody hearing, a packed courtroom, and the family's weekend playlist, the pump-up football tracks, and that slow R&B song mom plays on the ride home gets played out loud. An opposing lawyer pulls a caption, frames it as proof, and suddenly an inside joke reads like evidence.
Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat.
Today, I want to show you how a song, a playlist, or a game day video can be pulled into a legal story and what you can do about it. We'll cover the core legal ideas, the common traps I see as an attorney, quick parenting moves, and a little music pick to close.
Here's the part most people miss. Your playlist can turn into evidence. In family court, lawyers use media to tell a story about who you are, your temperament, your priorities, your judgment. In criminal cases, files can be used to link time or place or intent. Different settings, different stakes, same basic risk.
Two practical rules matter more than the legal textbooks: relevance and authenticity. Relevance. Will this file actually make a fact more or less likely? Just because you love a certain song doesn't automatically make you an unfit parent, but a clever lawyer will try to build that bridge. Authenticity. Who posted it, when, and can we show it's the original? Screenshots are handy, but they're fragile. Platform records or native files are far stronger in court. Context changes everything. A chant in a stadium is different from a late-night rant shared to the whole internet. Take a caption out of its moment, and you change its meaning. So preserving context is one of the simplest defenses. Let me give you the kinds of pitfalls I actually see. Public playlists anyone can quote, videos with kids tagged and location showing, captions that read angry when divorced from tone, and voice notes forwarded without the rest of the conversation. One concrete example I always mention. I had a client who posted a public tailgate video, and the timestamp showed a grill fire at 2:14 p.m. That single timestamp later conflicted with his claim he was at work that afternoon. Small detail, big consequence. So what's the smart, not paranoid approach? Start with privacy settings. Make top-level accounts private when you can, turn off geotagging when kids are present, and think twice before making playlists public if the title or cover could be misread. Preservation is the other side of the coin. Say you've got a recital video. Save the original file, jot down the date, and note who has copies. Simple steps, no drama, and your lawyer can use that if push comes to shove. If something's already out there and you regret it, deleting can help, but it can also be used against you in litigation. Quick rule: if there's any hint of a legal dispute, talk to counsel before you purge evidence. Talk to your kids like you talk about crossing the street. Practical and simple. Teach them not to tag locations, not to post other people's faces without permission, and to ask before sharing someone else's video. Make sharing a family rule, not a lecture. For the sports lovers, you don't have to lose the tailgate joy. Record privately, share within a trusted group, or post a trimmed version that removes timestamps or identifying location markers. Consider a private family playlist instead of a public one. Same memories, less legal footprint. A quick word on captions. Humor and sarcasm don't always survive the court reporter. If you write something flippant, imagine it read aloud in a vacuum. If it changes what you meant, rethink the caption. Now, for a little music pick. Not to name drop, but to give you the idea. There's an R&B song I keep in rotation. Warm vocals, lines about coming home and second chances. Pieces like that tell a family story. They say who you love and what you care about. Enjoy them. Just be ready to tell the rest of the story if someone else tries to tell it for you. Before we go, 3 quick actions you can take tonight. Tighten privacy settings, save originals of key videos and note dates, and have a calm household conversation about what's okay to post. If you're worried about something specific, an old post or a shared video, general tips are useful, but case-specific advice needs a licensed attorney. Email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to request a free 30-minute consult. And if this episode helped even a little, hit subscribe so you don't miss future conversations. Thanks for spending this time with me.
Keep your playlists close, your originals closer, and your privacy choices intentional. Let's chat.